Learning a new language can be an exciting and rewarding endeavor, but it often comes with its challenges, especially for beginners. Whether you're starting with French, English, or Spanish, understanding effective learning strategies and tips can significantly enhance your progress. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore a variety of strategies tailored to beginners, aiming to provide you with a solid foundation and boost your confidence in language acquisition. Getting started, setting clear goals. Setting clear and achievable goals is crucial when embarking on a language learning journey. Begin by defining why you want to learn the language, whether for travel, career advancement, or personal enrichment. This clarity will not only motivate you, but also help you tailor your learning approach to meet specific objectives. Building vocabulary, focus on high-frequency words. One of the initial challenges in learning any language is vocabulary acquisition. Start by learning high-frequency words that are commonly used in everyday conversations. Tools like flashcards, language learning apps, and mnemonic devices can aid retention and make learning vocabulary more engaging. Mastering pronunciation. Practice makes perfect. Pronunciation is another key aspect of language learning, particularly for beginners. Listening to native speakers, mimicking their intonation and rhythm, and recording yourself to compare pronunciation are effective techniques. Regular practice, even in short sessions, can significantly improve your ability to speak clearly and confidently. Grammar essentials. Understanding basic structures. While grammar can seem daunting at first, mastering basic structures early on provides a solid foundation for language proficiency. Focus on fundamental concepts such as verb conjugation, sentence structure, and basic syntax rules. Interactive exercises and language tutorials can help reinforce these concepts in a practical context. Speaking and listening, immersion and conversation practice. Immersion in the language through exposure to native speakers, whether through podcasts, movies, or conversations, is invaluable. Practice speaking regularly, even if initially with simple phrases. Joining language exchange groups or finding a conversation partner can provide opportunities to apply what you've learned in real-life situations. Reading comprehension. Start with simple texts. Reading is essential for expanding vocabulary and improving comprehension skills. Begin with materials suited to your proficiency level, such as children's books, graded readers, or online articles with simplified language. Take notes on unfamiliar words and phrases to reinforce learning through context. Writing practice, from simple sentences to expressive texts. Writing helps solidify grammar and vocabulary knowledge while fostering creativity in language use. Start with basic exercises like writing short paragraphs or keeping a language learning journal. Gradually increase the complexity of your writing tasks as your proficiency improves, focusing on accuracy and fluency. Overcoming challenges, patience and perseverance. Learning a new language is a journey that requires dedication and patience. Accept that setbacks are part of the process and celebrate small achievements along the way. Seek support from fellow learners or language tutors when facing difficulties, and remember that consistent effort yields progress over time. Conclusion: embracing language learning as a journey. In conclusion, mastering a new language as a beginner involves a combination of effective strategies, consistent practice, and a positive mindset. By setting clear goals, focusing on foundational skills, and immersing yourself in the language through various activities, you can accelerate your learning and build confidence in your abilities. Embrace language learning as a journey of exploration and growth, knowing that each step forward brings you closer to fluency and cultural understanding.